Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 3 plus 2s. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. dv, that is about e to the power of s ds. This one we have like this. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v Now we can use about integration by parts again. And now I will put about u equals to 3s squared plus number 2. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. So number 3 and number 2, we have number 6. dv, that is about this one. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we put number 6 outside. Now we use integration by parts again. And this one that is about s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of s ds. So this one that is about e to the power of s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.